Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our lesson today is ratios and graphs. Our objective is how I can solve problems by using tables and graphs to show equal ratios. The solve and share problem. For every 4 adults at the beach one afternoon, there were 3 children. How many children were at the beach if there were 8, 12, 16, or 20 adults at the beach?
Thank you, Ryan and Yaman. And this lesson learn us how to use a graph, okay, and how we can represent the ratios by the graph. Okay, we have one ratio here. You know it. It is 4 adults to 3 children. Okay, we can write it here. For example, let me write it here. It is 4 over 3. Okay, it is 4 over 3. And we learned how to find the equivalent ratios. Yes, how we find the equivalent ratios? By multiply up and down by the same number. Yes, or divide, it could be. Yes. Okay, so I will multiply this ratio by the same number, and every time, because you're grade, you multiply by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. Let us start. By 2 equal 8 over 6. By 3 it is 12 over 9. By 4 it is 16 over 12. By 5 it is 20 over 15. So I have this ratio. Yes, but we have to pay attention about something. I have to know the number up or the numerator here refer to what, and the number down refer to what. Let us come back to the question. So the 4 refer to adults. Let us write adults here. Yes. Okay, my boys. And here the 3 refer to child. So for 4 adults I have 3 child. Okay, and for 8 adult here I have 6 child, and for 12 adult I have 9 child, and for 16 adult I have 12 child, and for 20 adult I have 15 child. Okay, how I can represent this in the, or plot this in the coordinate plane? Okay, now I will write each one of this ratio or this fraction as the order pair. Okay, 8 and 6, it is 8 and 6. 12 and 9, it is 12 and 9. 16 and 12. Okay, and the last one is 20 and 15. Okay, my boys. Now, how I can plot this order pair. You remember the order pair, yes? This is called order pair, and each order pair consists of x and y. Okay, how many steps to the right or to the left? Okay, so the first, this we called x-axis, and this we call it y-axis. Remember, x-axis, again, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, and y-axis. Okay, let us come back here. Okay, I have this one, 8 and 6. How we can put 8 and 6? 8 and 6, this one. Boys, focus please. Okay, this is 8 and 6. How I can plot it? In the coordinate plane here. So it is 8 and 6. How I can plot it in the coordinate plane? The first number here, as if you remember, means 8 steps to the right. And the second coordinate tell me how many steps up. So 6 steps up. So I have to move 8 steps to the right and 6 steps up. So this is 8 and 6. And I erase this and this and this too and this one. So this is 8 and 6. What is the second order pair? This one. It is 12 and 9. Okay, 12 and 9. Let me write it here to explain it. That means 12 steps to the right and 9 steps to up. And we start, remember, from 0 here, okay? So 12 to the right and 9 to up. Okay, to here. Okay, okay, I bring this one and set it here. So then I erase these lines. Don't want it. Okay, this here. Now the next one is, it is 16 and 12. 16 and 12. That mean 16 and 12. That mean 16 steps to the right and 12 steps up. Let's move. 16 to the right and 12 up. So I set the point here exactly, and I erase this arrows. Okay, what's next? 20 and 15. 20 and 15. 20 and 15. So this means 20 to the right and 15 to up. This look like here, yes. Okay, and this is okay, and I erase all of these. Okay, then I draw the line by using a ruler. Okay, connect them by straight line, not curved line. So this, okay, I represent the the ratio. Okay, now let us come back to how many child were at the beach. If were 8, 12, 16, 20 adults at the beach. Okay, here let us come back here. If I have 8 adult, I said, so we have 6 child. If I have 12, then I have 9 child. Okay, this is the answer. 6 when it is 8, 16 adult have 12 a child, and 20 adult have 15 child. This is the answer for the question. Okay, my boys. Okay, let us take another example. I think it is enough and it is clear. For example, if I want to take this one, let me hide the answer first. Okay, now see, complete each table, then label the coordinate along the y-axis and plot the pairs of value on the coordinate plane. You have 2 and 3. We said we find it is 2 over 3. It is look like 2 over 3. And how you find the equivalent? You see, as we learned, we multiply by the same number. We start with the 2 and continue. So it will be 4 over 6. So here we have 6. See? Now the next one, it is multiplied by 3. So it is 6 up and 9 down. See? It is 9 down. The third one, it is multiplied by 4. So 3 by 4 equal 12. And 3 by 5 equal 15. Now I take them as a order pairs. You see? It is 2 and 3. And the second order pair come from here. It's 4 and 6. And the third order pair come from here. It's 6 and 9. And the fourth, it is 8 and 12. And 10 and 15. The last one here. And then we represent this to the right and this to the left. Okay, see? 2 to the right, 3 to the left here. Okay, so this is the point. Now the second one, it's 4 to the right and 6 to up. And the third one, 6 to the right, 9 to up. Okay, and then 8 to the right, 12 to the up. Yes, and the 12 up. Okay, and the last one, 10 to the right, 5 to up. 12 to the right, sorry, 10 to the right, 15 to up. Then he connect between them by this line. Okay, it will be like this. That's all. It is easy lesson and depend on what we take in the previous lesson, depend on the equivalent and how to find the equivalent fractions or ratios. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Khair. I hope you get all the benefits from ratios and graphs, my dear students. Goodbye and see you.